Hey guys, Matt Popovich here. Quick video on how to replace your wiper blades for your Audi A3 8V. Quick note, they are different sizes. The passengers is 19 inches and the driver's side is 26 inches. I just got these Bosch Aerotwin A102Ss and I'll show you how to put them on. It's pretty simple. If you'll notice, you can't really get to these wipers very easily because they don't lift up without hitting the hood of the car or the bonnet. To solve that, we can put the wipers into service position. Alright, so to get it into the service interval position, you gotta get in your car, and then if your ignition's off, you might be able to put the stalk down into position 4 and bring them up. If they don't come up, you're gonna have to turn your ignition on and turn it off. You just gotta sort of wake the car up. And then you push the stalk down and they'll come up into this service position. And once you have them in service position, they can very easily now lift up and we can get them in a position to work on. Just be careful that once you take these blades off, that you don't set these metal wiper blade holders back onto the windshield, because they will scratch up the windshield and do some damage. So, to take them off, you have a button here, push the button, and then you pull the wiper blade up. See if I can do this with one hand. There we go. And you're good. What I realized is that I actually had issues. We can show with this one here. I had issues to pull them up, and they sort of got stuck in that position. And what you can do is, if you lift the wiper blade up like that, not sort of lift it up, but just angle it up, then that will help to pull it out a lot easier. So that's a little trick of the trade there. To put them back on, just do the opposite. Put the wiper blade, set the wiper blade on, angle them up, and push down until you hear it click, and you're good. Same thing as the other one. Set it on, angle it up, push down. Give it a little jig. Make sure it's in there good. Set them back down. Cool. Alright, so to take your wipers out of the service interval position, hop in your car, turn the ignition on, and once again, push the stalk down, and you're good to go. And that's it. Fresh wiper blades on your Audi A3. If you found this helpful, consider liking it to help it gain visibility. If it helps you out, hopefully you can help out others too. Until next time. And as a little bonus here, I was trying to find a video of this on YouTube, and none of them were actually any good. They were trying to tell me to open the hood and then open the wiper blades, and it was just a lot of things that didn't need to be done. So if you wanted to figure out how to do this yourself, you could actually use the manual, the instructions that came with the vehicle. Crazy, right? And go to windshield wipers, and we can go to replacing windshield wiper blades. That's page 50. And there's a little section there on the left on cleaning windshield wiper blades. And then we have a section here on wiper service position and blade replacement position. It says to turn the ignition off and move the windshield wiper into position number 4. As I already talked about that. And then this diagram here tells you how to actually replace the windshield wipers. You press that button and lift up. Position 4 can be found on page 49. Go over to page 49. And there we have it. Position 4 with the ignition off puts them into the service position. So your handy dandy instruction booklet can come in handy if you know how to use it.